Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making sweetened condensed milk from scratch at home, with just a few ingredients in your kitchen. These are the ingredients we are using for today's condensed milk. We have 1 cup of milk powder, half cup of water, and half cup of granulated sugar. We'll also be using a non-stick pan, a wooden spatula, a whisk, a napkin, and then the measuring bowls and cup. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we'll pour in the milk powder, then we'll add on the sugar, finally the water. Then with the whisk, I'll combine until everything mixes nicely before we place it on our source of heat. At this point, I'm going to place it onto the source of heat since everything has combined evenly and nicely. Now I've placed it on the source of heat. We are going to mix gradually and continue until the mixture comes together and starts to thicken up a bit. If you leave it on the stove top and then don't concentrate and mix, it's going to get bent, which you don't want, or it's going to get lumpy. So you are supposed to mix till the final product, which is the condensed milk, is obtained. And we are also doing this so that the sugar dissolves in the mixture that we have made. You can see that the mixture is starting to bubble up, which means it's also thickening up. So we'll mix a little bit more and then we'll take it off the source of heat very soon. This is it after picking it off the source of heat. You can see that the mixture has thickened up. So we are going to pour it into our bowl and then let it cool off significantly. So this is how it looks like. Just look at how thick and how beautiful it looks. So we are going to let it cool off some more, and as it cools, it's also going to get a bit thicker and thicker and thicker. And this is our condensed milk after cooling off. Just look at that. So thick and super delicious. You can use this to fill your milky donuts. And also, you can use it to make smoothies. Try this recipe and let me know how it was for you in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.